Good morning, students. Welcome back to your biology class. We have discussed about transportation in human beings. This is the recap of what we have studied in our previous week. That is, human body transportation is the most important system in our body. The transportation of oxygen, nutrients, hormone and other substances to tissues, and carbon dioxide to the lungs and waste products to the kidneys is carried out by a well-defined circulatory system. In lower organisms, material is transported by diffusion process. Circulatory system is composed of blood mainly, and the blood is composed of 55% of blood plasma, which is the watery or viscous medium, and 45% of blood cells. First of all, red blood cells or erythrocytes. These are minute, circular, biconcave disc with no nucleus. They look red due to the presence of red colored pigment, that is hemoglobin. This RBC have lifespan about 120 days. These are also known as erythrocytes, and the function is transporting oxygen and carbon dioxide. The next, white blood cell. These are large, nucleated, colorless, and they are also called leukocytes. They move actively and protect the body against the disease-causing microorganism by destroying them. And platelets are rounded colorless cells which helps in blood clotting. Blood vessels. Blood flows through our body in a complex system of tubes called blood vessels. There are three types: arteries, veins and capillaries. Capillaries are the thinnest of all and connect arteries to the veins. As the heart is our main pumping organ inside in our body, artery carries the blood with oxygen, vein carries the blood with carbon dioxide, and capillaries are the connection between these both. As the heart beats and forces blood through our body, we would feel a throbbing sensation at any point where an artery comes close to the surface of the skin, such as the wrist, neck or upper arm. This throbbing sensation is called pulse. Counting our pulse rate is a simple way to estimate how fast our heart is beating, and the device doctors generally use to check or to measure this throbbing sensation, that is known as stethoscope. Well, now coming to the most important structure in our body, that is the heart. Heart is the main pumping system or organ of the entire circulatory system. The four chambers of heart are the right auricle, the left auricle, these are on the above, and right ventricle and left ventricle on the lower surface. The entire heart is covered by pericardium membrane. The right auricle opens into right ventricle and the left auricle opens into the left ventricle. Superior and inferior aorta, that are collection of arteries, collect the blood and sends the blood to all parts of your body. Now, plant transportation includes xylem tissue and the phloem tissue. We already know that xylem and phloem both are complex permanent tissue. Xylem carries the water and minerals from the soil to the leaves, and phloem distributes the food. So this is the entire transportation system.